Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto G60S, and I'll show you how to take screenshots without buttons on this device. So first you should go to the settings and scroll down to the system section. Now just tap there, and here you'll see the gestures. Go to the gestures, and right there you will get this 3-finger screenshot section. Tap here, and just to activate this option, tap here once on the switcher, and now when you'll just hold for a while your screen with your 3 fingers at the same time, you can take a screenshot. And now we'll try it again. Oh, sorry. And as can you see, we got here some icons we can share with the screen. We can edit the screen. For example, we can change the size of the screen, and then you can delete the screen, you can share with someone, and we can save it. Now we can tap here to allow, and as you can see, our photo is saved. And now we can find your screen here in your just library. We got here the screenshots folder, and just tap there and you'll see all your previously taken screenshots. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.